So when you walk in the streets like Amaranth Bay and them places, people know you.
Portland, town. It's no good of blood clot.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Today is a big day for me because we're heading to Ras Kitchen, that's by Ras Mokko. But before we get to all of that, like my car, I realized yesterday I put some air into it, and then by today like the air was, you know, coming out of it on both sides. The front one I definitely know has a really fast leak, and the one in the back also has a slower leak. So I'm gonna get that fixed because taking a long trip, definitely don't want to have an issue with the car. So I'm out here right now in Ligoni, Kingston, trying to get that sorted.
No, I'm not sure. You see one next.
One next nail?
Yeah, wait.
Alright, let's start it out. Oh shit, yeah. Ah, mad. Alright, so quick updates on what's going on. One tire has like 2 holes in it and the valve stem is leaking slowly, and the other tire has the valve stem leaking slowly. The last time I came here, I think I spent like $250 to fix a hole, so maybe I'll walk out here today spending maybe a grand or $1.5. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I'm on the road right now. So I ended up spending $1,200, call it $1,500 because I gave the guy a $300 tip. The technique that they used, of course, first of all, they put the soapy water on it so that they can tell where the bubbles are coming from. That's where the leak is, of course. And they use a patch technique where they use like rubber or tar, whatever the case is, like a rubber substance, and they pretty much rebuild the tire. Yeah. So right now I'm just headed to go pick up a package, and I'm gonna be heading to Ras Mokko. Yo, I'm excited. It's a great feeling. I think just when you see someone on a YouTube channel and now you're gonna have the chance to finally meet them, good stuff. All right, so we're on our way to Portland, but this is just astonishing. Look at the water. I can't see what you guys are seeing because like I'm driving, but the water appears to be brown as, whoa, I didn't even know, bro. But if you guys know why, what's the cause of that, let me know. But I can smell that water from here. It's kind of strange. But alright, we're on our way. It's about 55 minutes I'm seeing here on the GPS. And if you guys can see that, oh yeah. Yo, I kind of wanted to give you guys a feel of just Jamaican bumpy roads, like country roads. Like, yo. Well, I think I've already passed the bumpy phases, but the roads are like so bumpy, like watch. So whenever you come to Jamaica and you're driving to like the country, you know, sides, like don't be surprised if you see roads like this, because that's just how it is, you know. It's almost like a roller coaster ride in most cases. But some lush greenery going through, and we are still on our way. Alright guys, according to Google, I'm 6 minutes away. Yo, I am hungry. I haven't called them or anything like that to tell them that I'm on my way. I passed some nice little jelly spots. Oh crap, did I make the wrong turn? No? Good, Sunning Hill. Alright. Yeah. Passed some little jelly spots. I wish I can find another one right now, so that I can get something to, you know, eat. I don't even know. Alright. Yeah, because I was focused on talking to you guys, I did make the wrong turn. So, just turn the back just now to make the left turn to the right. Alright, yeah, to the side here, Sunning Hill. Definitely know I'm close by because I can see the river that they have close to the house. So if this is 6 minutes out, then this must be the same river that's close by, or the safe stream, or whatever you want to call it. I just saw some people, you know, washing some clothes and things like that. I'm trying to remember if I've ever seen that in person before, but yeah, in areas like these where water might not be like as consistent as probably in Kingston. Let me not even say as in Kingston, because Kingston right now isn't doing so good. But yeah, they make use of the rivers to, you know, get the clothes washed. But anyway. one thing I definitely remember from Sunning Hill, all the coconut trees, man. Look at those coconut trees. Wow. Alright, says I'm 3 minutes out, so let's keep going. Alright, I see the river that's heading down that side. I hope I find it in one go. I'm really praying that I can find this place in just one go. Oh, look at the river. This is just so awesome. I'm getting more excited now, but I'm still nervous. Wow. Alright guys, I hope this because usually sometimes Airbnb is not so accurate with the directions depending on how they label it, as in the host. So hopefully this host did it properly. Oh, I'm so nervous. Alright. Yeah, so me see one blue chop. I'm gonna go make a right turn.
Yeah, that's the right, man, the right turn.
Alright, so I make a right turn and say I must make a next right turn. I just come off a little bridge, so I make a next right turn.
Yeah, just take the right turn by the bridge.
Yeah, make the right turn there. Alright, so the car just got disconnected because I guess it's the area that I just drove through a while ago, the surface isn't that good. Stop our roadside a while ago, chat to our Ras, talk to him a little bit and him give me the directions, because Mokko well known about this area, because you know, the whole YouTube thing. So far so good. See, like me I get closer, tell me something about like a blue house. I go ask someone beside me right there, so and see. Yo, Aya.
Yeah.
You know which part Ras Mokko place there?
Just go back right there, it's that little roundabout there.
Yeah.
Bottom side. One little lane down on there, so just go right there, and just walk a little bit and go find my left hand and just go turn now.
Ah, mad.
Right.
This little kid is running, he's gonna show me where I can find a spot. Oh, down there, sir? Ah, thank you. Alright guys, so they said I have to walk go down there. Like I tried to bring the car over the side and it was like lopsiding, almost tripping over the whatever. So yeah, park up on the side of the road, probably not park good enough. Alright guys, so I did a better parking. Now just walking down. I'm taking on my box because I don't know like if this is really the spot. Let's see the vibe, but it's a ways down. Yo. This is an adventure. So far, like what I'm trying to figure out is like what I remember from the videos. I don't get to watch a lot of them, so I'm not sure exactly where is where. I don't see like the red, green and gold as yet, but yeah, I think I'm getting closer. I don't even know. Alright, the parts I'm gonna walk through really right now, it feel like old school Jamaica, to be quite honest. Some regular Jamaicans are giving me some help, but I'm telling me say careful because dog will bite me. Afternoon, mama. Dog don't not bite me. Alright guys, this feel like it now. This now feels like what I expected. I remember from Ras Kitchen. Yeah, me reach. Me hear Ratty. Me hear Ratty. I cry, we can hear it. And the dog them. Very bad dog.
One see fucking bus road. But the man see me already and come from with Australia.
From Australia?
Oh, Australia or Trinidad of them place. One bus road.
Yo, see how Ratty up there, so Ratty running by the camera. Yeah, say oh, it's a vibe. There, so I meet the legend for myself.
Yes,
and trust me, tell you, say yo, the way I stay up on Ras Kitchen, him vibe.
Yeah, man.
He easy for chat to kind of somebody.
Yeah, man.
Just come and sit down and start while I easy right away.
You know? Yeah, man.
Trust
Just
me,
come
man.
in too.
Yeah, man, just come in and just make me know, say yo.
Some girl say, oh, one woman say, one woman now and bar, she let me go there, go check it. He said, when you come, all the people in the bar. Then I see you gone with, I say, you know, it can be a short visit, it can be a short visit, and it is a sound already. Yeah. When you come, and all the people in the bar look for me. I say, it can be a short visit, you know, things not right, so. You know me, I do business, you know?
Yeah. So when you walk in the streets like a Morant Bay and them places, people know you.
Portland, town. It's no good about that. Hey, word them to me and Matthew.
They know exactly, say, yeah, man.
See them there. We in a supermarket that look too William and Matthew and Sydney, you know, make the people come. Hey, see Ras Mokko, yeah? By Matthew become out of what? This is Matthew, no. We get stick up there to blood till like it's a crowd, boy. We are watching, you know, man. We are watching, you know. We got down so, but we call the play down the line.
Yeah.
We then call one play down got the enough is girl. We then call down there some man. Me hear one woman like way over there, so say, yo, Ras Mokko. And when they run up inside, me say, man, teach him and watch it all the while. And your video,
Yeah.
they met my boyfriend cook. Learn to cook.
A vibe.
Yeah, man, it's a boy God send out somebody called Bata. Me couldn't cook nothing, you know. But when me look for your video, me have to do something. Because me couldn't do nothing, you know. And then me say, no. I can't take off all these long fall fingernails long, man. This thing too much, man. Me have to cook for myself. Because the rest of them, I show you one
What I can do.
Yeah, man.
Facts.
Man, they never be, man. Even me, and the man then wicked, you know.
Yeah.
The last man then wicked, you know. Then she not make them can see it.
Oh.
Because them man they are wicked, man. And this be a big herb leaf, you know, broad like a cocoa leaf. And then make you know it now again not even one seed. Why this no fear?
So you can't grow for yourself if you want to grow.
Yo man, my brother. Man are wicked, you fuck too much.
Yo, pretty stove people. You still have feel all warm till you just cook off right?
From morning we cook breakfast, me and the white man.
Right.
Why get a sitting last night when he never. Hey, you ratty no, don't do that, man. Where he never.
What I
do it?
What I make?
Eh?
What I make for you?
Sorry, tea with ginger.
Right.
Wicked stuff, me I tell you the man who like it, the man like it like. See?
Yeah, man.
Then kill them out, then pile them out.
That mean go say, cause I remember I watch a video and when the puppy them and about them eat the coconut trash.
Yeah.
And about 6 of them or so.
6 of them, brother.
Cause me have.
8 of them here, brother. And some have to have them now.
So then I run up and down again.
Then I run up and down again. The whole of them get piled in the same 1 month here.
Jeez and peace.
Uh-huh.
A 4 dog never my yard, you know, I love them, you know.
Boy, me like me dog, you know.
I love dog.
Come on in time, you know, brother. And me dog, me like, you know, man. You see, you know, brother.
Good company and them, man.
Yeah, man. Look. Look on the banana.
What, a gross, Michelle?
We call it like up the valley.
Up the valley? What's me hear that one there?
And a gross Michelle then. We have gross Michelle down at the bush.
Guys, around here so it's a vibe, you know, because you can hear the river back that side there. Yeah, I can hear the river.
And then out there, I think it's Scottish guy there. Them 2 out over there.
Okay.
Cat them and them. And then buy the piece of the them property over there.
Yo, so much on a banana there, Panny. I forgot to show them this. Yo, these are the real organic banana. Slow grown, organic, man. Yo, it's a good look.